No. Yeah, no. No. Christopher. 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 No pushing buttons. No pushing buttons. Christopher.
I have some family stuff that I really need to get caught up on.
What are you doing? Christopher.
I wish I'd spent more time with you.
Christopher.
I'm going to let you go a little bit early today as I have
Hey.
some family thing to attend to again. So, class dismissed.
This winter, spend
No.
time with family.
No.
IMF, tonight starting at 9 p.m. on US
What did I say?
Karen, you're welcome.
The question before us today is when does the state have the right to force someone to receive medical care? Had this court known about your sister's illness, I would have compelled her to be treated because she was only 4 years old. You, young man, are a different story.
What are you
Although you're a
doing?
minor, you are sufficiently aware of the
Where's
consequences
Eva?
of not being tested for HIV.
Christopher. Where's
I
Eva?
disagree with your choice. But to take it away deprives you of your right.